Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which finds number of siblings of a given node in an n-ary tree. First, let us take an example. For node 30, the number of siblings will be 3, which are 2, 14 and 60. Now, let us see the approach. For every node in the given n-ary tree, we push the children of the current node in the queue. While adding the children of current node in queue, we check if any children is equal to the given value x or not. If yes, then we return the number of siblings of x. Next, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to function number of children. So root will point to 1. Also, let us assume that we have to find the number of siblings for node 3. So we pass 3 to x. Since root is not null, we create a queue and enqueue the root node, that is 1, into the queue. Now, as the queue is not empty, we enter the while loop and take a variable n, which will be equal to the number of elements in the queue. So n will be 1 as there is only one element in the queue. Next, we take a node p which points to the front of the queue and dequeue it. So 1 will be dequeued. Now we enqueue all the children of the dequeued item and keep checking if the child is equal to x or not. So first, p's first child, that is 2, is not equal to x. So we just push 2 into the queue. Next, I will be 1 and p's child at index 1 is 3. And now the if condition in the for loop gets satisfied and we return p's child.size minus 1. That is, we return 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, and these are the number of siblings for node x equal to 3. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.